With us, Secretary General of International Road Transport Union, Umberto De Preti. Sir, can we have your reflections? What are your expectations from this forum, and how? I mean, did you get what you expected? What were your expectations? I mean, a few words, please.
Well, I think the first thing, the fact that we had so many people come to this first forum already is a brilliant sign, saying that people want to move ahead, that there is a willingness to cooperate economically, and that instead of words, we're going to move to action. It's nice to have conventions, it's nice to have agreements, it's nice to have resolutions, but we need action. And I think by everybody working together, we can move towards realizing the potential of the Caspian region. It's a phenomenal potential in terms of trade, in terms of tourism, in terms of energy production. In every sense, it's really an unharnessed potential. And we have to work together, put in place the existing instruments, work hand in hand, and we'll get it done. My biggest satisfaction, what I saw here, is the level of participants, the number of participants, and that everybody is saying the same thing. There seems to be no disagreement. And as such, that means we need results. So I hope that at the second Caspian Forum, that we can then make a whole list of everything that we've achieved and the economic progress we've achieved, the environmental progress we've achieved, and say that the future is not only bright, but very bright.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you.